Namaste friends, welcome back to LJ Kitchen with Lalita Jayaraman. Friends, yesterday was Father's Day and my son wanted me to prepare butterscotch cake for his dad. So I prepared it. Last year I prepared it once and it came out so well. So this time again it came out really beautifully and I thought of sharing it with you all. Butterscotch cake preparation takes a lot of time, but it's really worth it. So please give it a try and let me know your feedback. You will definitely enjoy this and you are going to thank me for uploading this recipe. To prepare butterscotch cake, we need a basic cake using butterscotch essence, some butterscotch sauce, pralines, sugar syrup and whipped cream. To check out the recipe of how to prepare the sponge cake, you please check out my honey cake recipe which I have recently uploaded. The link for that is in the description box. First check out the ingredients for praline. I've taken 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 10 to 12 almonds, half cup sugar and 2 tablespoons butter. Let's dry roast the almonds and cashew nuts. Now they are roasted well, so let's transfer it to a bowl. Let's apply some butter on a plate and keep it aside. Let's finely chop the almonds and cashews like this. Let's add sugar to the pan and let it melt. During this process, please make sure to keep the flame in medium. In 10 minutes, the sugar has caramelized, so now we'll add the butter to it. The caramel is too hot, friends, so be very careful. Once butter melts, let's add the cashew nuts and the almonds to it. Keep stirring during the whole process. Spread it nicely onto a greased plate. Now let's wait for this to come to room temperature. After a few minutes, the praline has come to room temperature, so now we can remove it from the plate like this using a fork. Now let's break them into small pieces like this. Let's add these pieces into a Ziploc cover. And now we can crush them like this. And also crush them using a rolling pin like this. The praline is ready, so we can transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now let's check out the ingredients to prepare butterscotch sauce. To prepare this, we need half cup sugar, quarter cup fresh cream, quarter cup milk and 3 to 4 tablespoons butter. Add the sugar to a saucepan and allow it to melt and caramelize. After 10 minutes, the sugar has caramelized, so let's add butter to it. Let the butter melt completely. I've added salted butter to it. If you are adding unsalted butter, please add a pinch of salt to it. Once butter is melted completely, let's add fresh cream and milk to it. Keep stirring until we get the sauce consistency. Now the butterscotch sauce is ready. Let's keep it aside for some time. To prepare whipped cream, we need 100 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 cup of powdered sugar and 250 ml Amul whipping cream. Let's start whipping the butter. Once butter is creamy, let's add sugar little by little. Now the butter has turned fluffy, so we'll add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 250 ml whipping cream. Make sure the whipping cream is just out of the fridge. We must go on whipping until we get stiff peaks. Stiff peaks are formed, so the whipped cream is ready. I've cut the cake into 2 layers. Let's apply sugar syrup on the first layer evenly. Now let's apply whipped cream and spread it evenly. Now let's apply sugar syrup on the next layer of the cake. Now let's apply the whipping cream on the cake and cover it completely. Let's pour the butterscotch sauce on the edges of the cake. Now let's cover the cake with the praline. Now we'll cover the sides of the cake also with praline. Using a piping bag, let's make some flowers on the cake. So friends, the beautiful, the soft, the crunchy and the very yummy butterscotch cake is ready. Friends, this is really a must try cake. So all of you, please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon and the all button to get notified of my future videos. And I thank you for spending your valuable time on watching my video. I'll see you soon in another good video. Until then, all of you stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.